Îi sărbătoresc cu oamenii lor cântând și aplaudându-i. Îi.
A personal pronoun meaning them. Accusative plural. Pronounced roughly as
E.
with a short
I.
sound. It's the object of the verb
Sărbătoresc.
and indicates the people being celebrated.
Sărbătoresc.
A verb meaning I celebrate or I am celebrating. Pronounced roughly as
Sər-bə-to-resk.
with the stress on the third syllable. It's the first person singular present tense of the verb
A sărbători.
to celebrate. It describes the action of the speaker.
Cu.
A preposition meaning with, pronounced
Co.
similar to the English word coo. It indicates the instrument or accompaniment of the celebration.
Oamenii.
A noun meaning the people, pronounced
Oamenii.
with the stress on the second syllable. It's the plural form of
Om.
man, person, and refers to the group participating in the celebration.
Lor.
A possessive pronoun meaning their, pronounced
Lor.
similar to the English word law, but with a softer r sound. It shows possession, specifying that the people are associated with the group being celebrated.
Cântând.
A gerund meaning singing, pronounced
Cântând. De.
with a soft
De.
sound which may be omitted. It describes the action of the people participating in the celebration.
Și.
A conjunction meaning and, pronounced
She.
with a short
I.
sound. It connects two actions performed simultaneously within the celebration.
Aplaudându-i.
A gerund meaning applauding them, pronounced
Aplaudându-i.
with the stress on the second syllable. It describes another action of the people in the celebration, specifically directing the applause towards
Dem.
ui, putting it together.
Îi sărbătoresc cu oamenii lor cântând și aplaudându-i.
Means, I celebrate them with their people singing and applauding them. It describes a celebratory scene where the speaker celebrates a group of people alongside their own community through singing and applause directed towards the celebrated group.